Alright, y'all, LS1 Houston Entertainment. I'm with the boy Corvette. Yes, sir. He's got his clean Focus over there. Let's give you a little walk around. Alright, let me flip the camera. So first off, we got the rear diffuser sitting low. Clean chrome exhaust tips. I always love my chrome exhaust tips, as you can see from mine, but mine are dirty. They look black, y'all. But let's just check out. Look at the detail on this car, honestly. There's a bunch of detail. Financial mistake. Y'all go ahead and follow Vette the Focus HGX. Please be patient, student driver. My boy. We had a car meet, y'all, as y'all can see. We got a lot going on. Got the side skirts, got that all done. My boy is apparently broken-hearted. Look, window tint looking clean, of course. Then you look inside the car. Clean interior, looking nice. Hope I didn't slam the door, no cap. My boy, he got paint match. He's got his front splitter. It's looking real nice for him. His headlights change all kind of crazy colors. Got all that. That looked nice. I love the banner. And the wheels, of course. Look at the detail on these wheels. Those are so nice. I love some deep dish wheels. But let's get to the point of adding. I'm gonna add this in the video where I do my front splitter. But if you can see, this is the before. I have yellow lights in here, and it just looks old. It's dated. We're in 2021. So my homeboy is working with these LEDs and this flathead out here at the car meet, and he decided he's gonna change them out for me. So let's go ahead and get that done. All right. So my boy got his flathead, went under. He unconnected it, and now it's basically just pull the bulb out, but it's hot. So we've had the door open. The bulb was very hot. Oh, just drop that bitch on the piece of the oil. Yeah, bro. So it's an old little bulb. Let's show him an LED. There goes the LED bulb. Looking clean, All right. Let's see. All right, so my phone had run out of storage. I don't have my camera right now recording with me, but I was using my homeboy's phone, and like the settings were different than my phone for like the picture or the video. Come on now. I'm trying to record a YouTube video. All right, but as you can see, the white lights, don't mind this dirty format, but white lights, got it going on both sides. Shout out to Vette the Focus on Instagram, Vette the Focus HGX. Got me hooked up with the LED lighting inside. So I'll catch you on the next one. That was putting LED lights in the C5 Vette. My homeboy, like I said, his name is Miles, aka his car is named Vette. Check him out on Instagram. There you go. And I'll catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and just share my videos. Help me grow. Need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized.